welcome to my channel. So my name is Chloe if you're new here. Today we have a unboxing slash jewellery haul video because a brand called LINJER kindly let me choose some bits and pieces from their website, some lovely jewellery pieces, and you guys know how much I love my jewellery, so I was super excited and I really love this brand. This is the brand, this is how it's spelled. They kindly sent me over a little note to say, "Hi Chloe, hope you love your new pieces, love the LINJER team," which is just super cute. And what I love about this brand is that their pieces are so like simple and minimalistic, but just such good quality as well. And they do solid gold pieces, sterling silver pieces, and gold vermeil pieces. I think that's how you say it. The bits I have are all gold vermeil because I wanted to show you guys how good that can be. These pieces are investment pieces. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen. It's COLLABS, all caps. Just quickly as well, you guys know I like a sustainable brands that are working towards being better for the planet, and LINJER is one of those brands. So they use 100% recycled gold and silver. They use lab grown diamonds so that it's like conflict free. The packaging is recyclable. You can pick as well if you want the more sustainable packaging when you're ordering, so that's really good. And they offset carbon emissions for every purchase. The pieces are all nickel free and hypoallergenic, so if you ever get those like itchy earlobes when you wear earrings from like a high street store, you don't have to worry about that because LINJER do not use any nickel. Okay, so I'm going to now show you guys what I picked up. Obviously when the parcel arrived I already had to rip it open to check out the pieces. Okay, so like I said, they sent me my little note which was super cute, and then it also comes with a little card which kind of tells you a little bit about the brand. So I just thought that was such a nice luxe touch. Then the package came with this carrier travel bag. It says Stay Golden on it, which I thought was super cute, and then obviously the brand name here. But this is just so nice to have to package up the items and take them around, travel with them. It's just nice to have a little protective bag, and again it kind of just gives that luxurious feel which the brand do have. Then each jewellery piece comes in these little boxes with the navy ribbon, which is just so cute and so perfectly tied. And then you open it up and it has a little bit more about the brand here, and then everything comes in these little like felt bags with the gold logo saying LINJER on there. And obviously the jewellery is in there, which I will show you in no time. I'm just keeping you waiting, keeping the suspense going. And then in the box there's a cute message: the finer things in life every day. And then it just comes with a little booklet with jewellery care in it, which again is just such a nice luxurious touch. They really have thought about everything. So it's got jewellery care, warranty and sustainability on here, and then the materials that are used for each piece. I'm not going to go through all of that with you because I have basically kind of said to you guys. So yeah, so nice, and such a nice packaging touch as well if you're gifting this to anybody. So nice. And they also do charms and birthstones as well, so if you are giving these as a gift you can personalize it. Comes in really cute packaging, so it's just such a lovely touch. Okay, so the first thing in this bag, I don't know what it is. Also, please excuse the missing nail. It's so ugly, it's horrible, I'm sorry about it. I'm going to try and use my right hand so that you can't see the ugly nail, but if it does pop up and show, I'm sorry, but don't let it distract you from the beautiful jewellery that we're about to see. These ones are called the Ava wing earring. Got 4 little gems. They get bigger as they go up. They're just so pretty, and I'm so excited to put these in because I have quite a lot of piercings on this ear, so I love getting earrings to like stack them up. So I will pop these in a bit and show you. But honestly, the quality of these just looks absolutely insane. I feel like they look like they could be thousands of pounds. That's the good thing about LINJER. They have the same quality and they use the same materials as all these luxurious brands, but for really affordable prices. Rather than paying absolute thousands, they're basically half the price of these luxurious brands, and it's like investment pieces that will last you a lifetime. So yeah, I'm so excited to pop these in. I literally love getting new earrings, and I just thought they were so cute. Little wings, they look so nice stacked up in your ear. Next piece is a necklace. This is the Iria necklace and it's gold, of course. So it's this really gorgeous necklace, which I absolutely love the gem at the bottom, like the iridescentness of it. And I also love how the chain is like really thin and dainty. I just think that looks so luxurious and pretty. And another touch that I really love that I haven't actually seen on necklaces before is that it has like the main clasp here, but then it also has 3 loops that you can loop it in depending on how tight you want it. I feel like normally you just get like the main loop and then lots of like little ones, but this one actually has bigger loops to loop it through, if you know what I mean. And I just think that that's a really nice touch to the necklace, and I feel like it just shows that the brand have really thought about every little detail as well. But yeah, the little pearly iridescent charm at the bottom I just think is so pretty. I love that so much. Then we have the second pair of earrings, which I love. These are called the Ella chain earrings. They're stud earrings. They have this little gem in it with this chain attached, which is so cute. And like I said before, I have a lot of earrings on this ear, so I feel like this would just look really nice in one of these lobe piercings with the little chain hanging off. I just think it's so simple but really effective and cute. I love as well is that the back of the earring has the chain attached to it, so you're not going to lose the chain and you're not going to lose the back of the earring. Also guys, really cool, a lot of these pieces have been seen on celebrities like Millie Bobby Brown, Hailey Bieber, Gigi Hadid. So cool. Okay, and then we have the last piece, which again should be some earrings. These are called the Tove Huggies. So these ones come in a little plastic bag, which is 100% degradable. It's just some little gold hoops which sit really tight and close to your ear, which I really love for my second hole. But yeah, they're just so beautiful and they pop open like that and push together. I literally love the colour of the gold. It is such a nice gold colour, not too yellowy, it's just like a really lovely colour. And I don't know if anyone else notices that, but I don't like any jewellery that is too yellow. But these are absolutely stunning. Thank you so much to Linjera for sending me over these pieces. I really appreciate it and I love them so much. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and definitely go on over to the website and get shopping. Honestly, there was so much on the website that is just so nice and pretty. It was so hard to choose, so I'll definitely be shopping on there again, and I would highly recommend you guys to do that. Like I said, I do have a discount code. It will be in the description box along with my link, so please use that to let them know that I'm the one that sent you over there. And just check out the pieces because they're so beautiful, especially if you've got like a special birthday coming up. But yeah, the quality feels so nice. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you'd like to. I will hopefully see you guys in my next one. Bye!